Welcome to 23 East 74th Street, Apartment 4E, in the heart of the Upper East Side.
Andrew, what did you say were the three most important details of Apartment 4E?
Location, location, location.
That's right, 23 East 74th Street is in the center of the best shopping and restaurants in New York City, right off Madison Avenue.
But Amelia, it's not just location. This entire apartment was gut renovated.
Are you telling me everything was done? The kitchen?
Expanded and done.
The bathroom?
Gutted and done.
Floors?
Beautifully redone.
But how's the closet space?
Count them. 4 closets, including 1 walk-in.
Wow, I guess all that's left is...
Bring your toothbrush. There is a recently renovated lobby with 24-hour doorman, live-in super, central laundry, storage, and a beautifully landscaped roof deck. If you'd like to see this great one-bedroom apartment at 23 East 74th Street, Apartment 4E, give us a call or send us an email.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.